Kullow Maalim, who has passed away. The family confirmed that he died on Tuesday while undergoing treatment at a city hospital. Kullow succumbed to injuries from a motorcycle hit and run in Nairobi's South Sea area. And a number of his colleagues eulogized him as a hard-working and dedicated legislator. Last Member of Parliament, Aga Khan, who remembered Kullow as a devoted public servant who discharged his duties with honor. It is with great sorrow and profound sadness that I learn of the unfortunate demise of my friend and colleague, Banisa MP Kullow Maalim Hassan, who passed away at Aga Khan Hospital. I share my deepest condolences with the family, friends, and people of Banisa following this unfortunate loss, and pray that Allah will grant them comfort during this lowest moment. May Allah grant his soul Janatul Firdaus. Amin, Amin, he said in a tribute. Kenan also said Kullow was a great leader who will be remembered for his transformative leadership. Banisa is in Mandera County and he was elected on UDM ticket. So we continue to pour our condolences. You are watching Global today, and we just want to put, the finishing touches on the conversation we've been having regarding the peace in the country and the demonstrations and what it does portend moving forward, and then we turn the crack now to what is happening internationally.
The men sitting here today are probably some of the leading thinkers in this country, and I believe what they're saying is that this has to be done politically, and it has to